Hello friends, today I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to install Chrome OS Flex on a pendrive and create its bootable image. For that you have to go to this website called chromeenterprise.google/os/Chrome OS Flex. You need to click on try Chrome OS and fill the form which was showed, and then it will take you to a page called Let's Get Started, and then click on view the installation guide. Now here are some of the suggestions which Google has listed on how to begin and what are the needed things. So it requires 8 GB or more of the pen drive, and the OS requirement should be 4 GB of RAM on which you want to install. Also it is a very unstable release, so it has very vulnerabilities as well, and it has many issues of compatibility as well. So you need to go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Chromebook Recovery Utility and click and install this extension. After that extension is installed, click on it from the Chrome extensions. And then you need to select the model and the manufacturer and select the product as a Chrome OS Flex. So here I opened, and now I have to select a model from a list, and here you will get an option of Google Chrome OS Flex and a developer unstable option you have to select. Also keep in mind you need to keep your pen drive attached, else it will not work. So I attach my pen drive and it will then start to create the process. It will first download the OS and then it will try to write on your pen drive. So this complete process takes around 20 to 30 minutes based on your broadband speed and your pen drive capability. So just wait for the completion. Now there is a prompt called installation is completed, and now you can just plug in your USB device as usual and try to put your system in the recovery mode, and it will put into the Chrome OS Flex. Hope you friends enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know in the comment section if you face any issues. Thank you.